and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zara and I hope you guys are doing well. Today I will be trying on the GYMSHARK Blackout sale clothing. Every influencer I follow and even GYMSHARK, they keep posting all the time about this blackout, and since every influencer was talking about it, I wanted to know if it was worth it. Like, I actually wanted to see if I could get the things I wanted because I knew a lot of people were gonna be on the site, so I wanted to see how that was going to be. Alright, let's get started. So I haven't opened the packages yet. So one of the packages arrived like 4 days later. That one didn't take that long. But I also got my boyfriend to buy me some leggings, and his package took longer than mine. So let's open the first package. Alright. I don't remember. Oh. I feel like these are basic bitch leggings, but they were like $10. So I was like, I need to get this. I don't give a fuck if every girl at the gym has this. They were $10. Good quality, so why not? Alright, I really like these. Yeah, as well. Okay, I got this one. I really like this color. It's like such a happy color. The material feels really nice as well. It's very thick. I took a screenshot of the items I wanted, and that way I could buy everything faster because everything sold out so fast that I just didn't want to, you know, take that risk. I really like this one. I really like the color, and here it is. It's just like a picture. Yeah, I really like the quality. The quality is good, and the color is really pretty. This is the package I paid for. Like, I had to wait in line for like 20 minutes. I know that sometimes you have to wait an hour when there are so many people on the site. It kept crashing. My boyfriend also had to wait like 30 minutes in line. I also got these, but I'm pretty positive this was like $10. They're not like breathtaking, but I like them. Again, it's like good quality for a really good price. So they didn't have t-shirts that I liked. Some of them were like really ugly and super long, or some of them were like really short. I honestly got this on because I'm in my house. I'm hot because I was working out and I just need some fresh air. That's why I have this, but I don't feel comfortable working out like this. So I got this t-shirt that I really like the color. I didn't realize this was gonna match until I got it. But yeah, it's nice. So they match. Okay, I also got this one. It's the same style as the other one. I really like this color. I don't know, just it's winter and everything is fucking dead. I love black, but like, I don't know why, but lately I feel like I need color in my life. A lot of them are the same style, just different color, whatever. And then I got this ones. So I got these two. Okay. I really like how they fit. The only thing I don't like is that they're too long. But I think that's a personal problem. They're the same one, different color. I really like the material though. Oh my god, you guys. Oh. Ouch. Guys, I think these are the best pair. They feel so nice. Oh my god. These are really nice. I really like this. I think these are my favorite ones. Alright, so here's a t-shirt. I actually like it. That looks nice. Yeah. GYMSHARK leggings are quite long. Maybe because I'm too short, I don't know. But it's like, look at that. Like, I could do this. So like, that's the only thing I don't like. All right, and these are the last pair of leggings. If you see, I don't know, but like, you can see my underwear. And I don't know how I feel about that. That was a whole workout, I swear. So, is a GYMSHARK Blackout sale worth it? I'll say it is, because I got the things I wanted for a really reasonable price. Now, if you want to try to get things for the next year blackout sale, just have in mind that you may not get all the things you want. The site does crush a lot, like a lot. You do have to wait in line, and many girls said that they had to wait up to an hour. I was lucky, I got all the things I wanted. I only had to wait 15 minutes in line, so it wasn't a bad experience for me. And I think I have nothing else to say. Happy holidays. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.